Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find either users and accounts or Google. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and then let's tap on Add Account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Just choose whoever is going to use the account. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. And then tap on Next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just tap on it to check the information and tap on I agree. There we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. If you want to learn more about the backup, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. Alright, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove the Google account whenever you want to. Just tap on it, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.